Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch in Tokyo, Japan with Louis Vuitton and de Bethune. A very special collaboration, the third of what I understand is 5 special independent watch collaborations. Something that I learned this trip for the first time, not only that there was going to be only 5 of these, maybe there'll be more, is that all of the money raised from the sale of these watches, and I'm saying this because they're not cheap, goes to the LV Watch Prize goal of helping young watchmakers and independent artisans. So I think it's very important to say why Louis Vuitton is involved in this project. So what are they doing with de Bethune? There's 12 watches and 2 clocks. 2 of those watches go with the clocks. So these are both separate products, but they are connected. It is a sympathetic system, or sympathique, I can never say that properly. And that's a very esoteric and rare system today. It's a historical type of system, but Denis Flageolet from de Bethune, along with a couple of other modern watchmakers, were able to successfully restore one of these old mechanisms, so they learned how to make it. 30 years ago this happened, and today he's returned the sympathique clock to the watch world, and it's very interesting. Again, extremely difficult to understand how these systems actually operate, but what they do is simple. You put the wristwatch in a base in the clock, and the clock sets the time of the watch so that the watch is always accurate, because historically these stationary clocks would do a lot better at timekeeping than a watch that was moving around. So that's why these systems came about, is so that you had the most correct time. And this system has come back today. The clock is a fascinating device, lots of artisanry. There's these 3 concentric rings that turn around one another that create different scenes. It's all about travel. It's a fantastic system. The clock and the watch are sort of being known as the Louis Varius. This is a combination of Louis Vuitton and Starry Varius, which is a collection of GMT watches that de Bethune has made and is quite famous for. So the new watch is the de Bethune Louis Varius GMT, and there's 12 watches, 10 of them are sold independently. It's in the tambour case, and it features the blued titanium that de Bethune is so known for. It's gorgeous, and it's extremely rare to see the blued titanium on the outside. The watch has a revolving little orb, which is a day-night indicator. So it's not just a GMT, but it has a day-night function. It has a date, it has the time, it has 5 days of power reserve, it runs at 4 Hertz. According to Louis Vuitton, it was a true collaboration. Some of the watch was made by Louis Vuitton, other parts of it were made by de Bethune, and it's everything you expect. It has the celestial dial with the Louis Vuitton logo on it. The tambour case is particularly nice. Even at 45 millimeters, it's very, very comfortable. I think the lugs are platinum. It is a gorgeous creation. The watch itself costs 375,000 euros, with the clock, of which there are only 2, 4 million euros. So you can see the full coverage of the Louis Vuitton and de Bethune Louis Varius GMT watch and sympathique clock on aBlogtoWatch soon. Thank you so much.